I was like, I really love teaching and doing bigger surgery. So like, I should just follow my passion and do this, because if you love your job, then, I think life becomes a lot smoother and better. Yeah, I grew up in a small town in Vermont. And then I remember I was in middle school when 9/11 happened, and it really struck me profoundly. And I always thought that if I could give back to the country and help prevent things like that from happening, that would be a worthwhile way to spend my life. And I got an Army scholarship to go to college and went to Boston College, and then got another scholarship to go to dental school and went to Creighton University in the Midwest. But then I found Omaha was an amazing city filled with really wonderful people in the Midwest, and it was cheap to live in, and Creighton didn't have any residencies. So I was like, great, I get to get all these skills and be a really good dentist when I finish. And then I had a surgical mentor there, like, who invited me to the OR to do a gunshot wound as a late second year. Dr. Jason Untrauer, an amazing guy who's staff at University of Nebraska Medical Center. And I would not have been exposed or become a surgeon without him. And then I was a dentist for a year in the Army. So I've gone to paratrooper school. I've done air assault school, like rappelling out of helicopters and doing that stuff. This spring, I spent 5 weeks in the woods helping to run something called the Expert Field Medic Badge with the 82nd Airborne. So you get to be out doing really cool things with amazing people. I feel like that's one of the main things that separates us from, private practice oral surgeons. And then did my training where I'm now the program director, actually, at Fort Bragg here in North Carolina. I love my job, training residents, and then doing, taking care of folks in the military and their families and veterans.